1, 2, 3 start. The high-level committee, which has been constituted to review salaries and pay scales of government servants, has met in Islamabad under the chairmanship of the Governor State Bank. Full stop. While the outcome of the meeting and the deliberation of the committee have not been published. Full stop. Governor State Bank has stated that the committee will meet again toward the end of January to finalize its report, which is to be submitted to the President by the end of April. Full stop. While the announcement of the mini budget, prices of certain essential items like oil and gas have shot up and are bound to result in price increases of other items of everyday use, thereby seriously affecting the budget of the common man who was already hard up to make two ends meet. First up, as usual, the brunt of these increases will have to be borne by the salaried classes, which has limited means of income. First, number two, spiraling prices in recent years have already crushed this section of the population. First stop. It is therefore imperative that interim relief be provided to them on an immediate basis. Full stop. At the same time, the Pay Commission has to ensure that in reviewing the present structure of salaries of government servants, a realistic system should be evolved which will result in a genuine rise in salary in real terms. Full stop. The middle and lower income people in this country are the backbone of the nation. Full stop.